Fasten your seats, start your engines, and get ready for the greatest show on earth with the Crypto Lifer. Can you do it again, man? I want a better... I think you can do better than that. I think you can announce me better than that. What do you mean? I didn't announce you good enough? Well, I don't know. You didn't really build me up. You didn't hype me up. You just kind of... Oh, so you don't think I'm good enough, huh? You don't think I can announce you good enough? Is that what you think? Well, I'm not... Well, you can just announce yourself then. You don't want to have a beautiful announcing voice? Then you can just... I will leave. No, come back. Damn, man, I guess I gotta announce myself now today. Tough. Let me see if I can go get him back. Come on back, man. Okay, I'll announce you, but this will be the last time. Oh, thank God. I knew you would do it. You love the Crypto Lifer. You can't stop. I know, I do. Alright. Promise me you'll never leave again. Okay, I'll never leave again. Ah, thank gosh. Shout out to everyone who is here live on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Thank you for coming on in to the Crypto Lifer Show. Strap in, get into your spaceship, put on your astronaut helmet and your suit, and let's go to Mars. All right, guys, we're going to go to a faraway place tonight. Get ready, because you're not going to be where you are now. Your mind is going to be transported into a new realm, a new place. Cryptocurrency has taken over. It has changed the way we look at the world. Nothing is the same. Nothing is the way it used to be. And nothing will ever be the same again. If you had taken the red pill and you've entered the matrix with the Crypto Lifer, welcome. Welcome. Don't ever go back. You've done the right thing. And we're going to sail off into the sunset, into crypto land. So thank you for coming on in. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me. And that is your time. And that is your time, folks. Let's keep it moving. Let's have a wonderful time. This is Saturday night, a little different of a feel than our daily streams, right? Our daily streams are like 9 to 5 cutthroat. Shout out to Tyler Durden. Let's see me some CHZ, man. After the BTC, of course. Shout out to Tyler Durden for the $5 super chat, asking for CHZ right off the spot. Well, I got something to show you guys. I got something that I'm looking at that I believe is pretty hot. And it looks like this thing's about to start moving not too long from now. I'm looking at a low stochastics on the 1 hour, ready to rock. I'm looking at a cup and handle. This is Ace. This just came out. Can't even get a market cap on it. When I look at it, this thing looks ready to rock. This is Ascent. Shout out to Hadouken, put it on my radar. A few other people put it on my radar. We all kind of went through it together, and now I am pretty convinced, pretty ready to rock, that this thing is ready to move. All right? So, if you're over there watching Jordan Camerard, I'm telling you, I watched this live stream. I put in the time. He's a nice guy. He's cool. He's cool, but let's take a look. I mean, let's take a look.
I'm not going to give you advice on Doge. It's a meme coin. It could pump or dump from.
That's what he just said. I'm not going to give you advice on Doge. It's a meme coin. All right, that's what you would have gotten had you went to his channel. While Ace is pumping, a coin that I'm looking at right now, beginning to pump hard. I want this thing and I want it bad. I actually kind of need to get into it today. Crazy. Shout out to Nick by the Dips for the $1.99 donation. Thank you so much. Nicky by the Dippies, bro. Thank you so much. I see you, Batman. Love the screen name. By the way, when does the crypto crash begin? Not for a long time. 100K subs soon, life for certain. Thank you so much, Nab J. I was literally just watching him and saw you on and had to switch. Honestly, the guy is lame. How did he get that many? Whatever. I love everybody that does crypto. I should just be nice. But how did they get that many subscribers? I guess all you have to do is show up and you'll get there. So I think I do even more. Look at this thing. This is my call right now. Already up 5% since we talked about it. Literally in the last minute and a half, it went from 13 up to 19 cents. This thing is up 6% in a minute, guys. Ace, man, is about to do damage. I'm telling you right now, this thing is about to blow. Nicholas Gatson, much love. Keep doing what you're doing. All stock chats are toxic as Is it too late to get coins? No, I was literally just watching him and I saw you. Thanks, man. I appreciate that, Mackenzie Sanchez. Much respect to you. Ryan B. Crypto to the Moon. What up, lifer? I'm liking the call. This thing is about to explode, guys. Let me tell you a little bit of what Ascent is and what it does. Hooking you guys up with free calls every single day. You're supposed to make enough money that you want to join my Patreon, because you just, if you put like $1,000 in this call, you'll probably make 10 grand. All right? Then you could throw me 10%, join the Patreon for a year, and then we all have fun, right? And then you keep making money with me, and then you get, at that point, you don't care about the membership. You're just in there to like swimwear, and you're having fun. We're all talking, we're making moves, and honestly, it's a great time. It's a great time. It's a great time. You know what? It gives my wife a job. It gives her something to do. Shiba Inu, man. I'm going to talk about Shiba Inu. We gave you guys the call. Let me give you, if you were in my group and you paid for my Patreon, check this out. If you were in my group and you paid for my Patreon, so say you're a paying Patreon member, okay? So a month ago, you paid for my Patreon. You're in my Patreon. Look, this is my calls only. Shiba, okay? I'll go to search here. Type in Shiba, okay? A chart will come up. You hit on it, right? Bam. There it is, right? When was this? Let's take a look. April 18th at 10:58 p.m. I'm telling you that Shiba is about to go up 165% gains from where it's at. You always click on the links when you see this stuff, guys. Click on the links. It'll take you to the chart. So I gave this call for Shiba Inu, okay? Right there, when it was just really getting started. I put $300 when Shiba was down here, okay? We made the call for Shiba. You want to see where Shiba is now? You guys want to see where Shiba is now? Look at that. Look at that. So let's go back to the call that I gave almost a month ago now, April 18th, 3 weeks ago, right? So there's the call, which I can't find now, which is interesting. Look at the call to the pop. Insane. Insane. Hidden bullish divergence. Swing up to swing up, swing down to swing down. Falling volume with falling price tells me the trend will continue to the upside, guys. Bam. My $300 turned into $20,000. It took 3 weeks. 3 weeks to turn $300 into $20,000. Okay? Another call I made. I gave you guys Safe Moon when it first came out. I put in $2,500 and it is now $100,000. No, I did not sell my Safe Moon like most people did. Diamond hands, baby. Diamond hands till a million. This will 10x. I will become a millionaire. I will show it on camera. I am calling it out right here, right now. I will become a multi-man, but I will become a millionaire here, live with you guys. You will see it happen live, and it will be in Safe Moon 10x's from here. I'm telling you right now. And there's other bags too. There's other bags, but bam. How much Safe Moon do you need? I have 13 billion Safe Moon in one wallet. I have another wallet too. I made 2 Safe Moon buys. I'm going crazy with these little coins, man. But there's really no reason to stop at this point, okay? There's really no reason to keep running down this shitcoin treadmill, even though I don't want to, and I never wanted to in the first place. And excuse my language, we don't like profanity, and we don't swear here on the show, but diamond hands, baby. Diamond hands. I 100x'd today again on Safe Moon. Right now I'm at a 100x. 50x on that one, 100x with another one. So I'm telling you, I have the wallet to prove it. I ain't BSing nobody. 100x in Safe Moon. I'm still here holding it. I'm not out yet. Who 100x's and doesn't sell? Only an insane man with an insane plan. Okay, so back to a free call I'm giving you. Ascent. Why am I talking about Ascent? Well, I have a team. I have a close-knit team of people around me. So I just wanted to show, brush my shoulders off real quick. If you're feeling good, Shiba Inu, brush your shoulders off. You made a bunch of Shiba man, brush your shoulders off. You know what I'm saying? Brush your shoulders off if you caked up. Shout out to my man Jesse B. He got married today, and he made a killing on Shiba Inu. So shout out to my man Jesse B. Going for the 1000x, baby. Yeah, we got 1000x, man. All we have to do is 10x to 100x, and we 1000x, man. So close. So close. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Look, if you take $2,000 and you times it by 1,000, baby, you get 2 mil, okay? 2 mil, baby. Going for that 2 mil. Going for that 2 mil. Thanks, Lifer, for keeping me in Safe Moon. Let's celebrate the Safe Mooner yacht when it 10x's. Yeah. My man with the 11. Yo, don't even say it. After 3 weeks, very sick at the hospital. The very first thing I feel like doing when I come home is watching your stream. No big reason. Just 3 best use of my time right now. Bless, bro. Shout out to David DeCormo. So sorry you were at the hospital 3 weeks. We are here for you. Everyone, show him some love. David, you're back in the right place. You're back with the crew, bro. We couldn't do a live stream without you. I missed you. I saw your name wasn't in there, man. What up, Life? Are you holding Shiba Inu? Thoughts? Thanks. I sold it last night. I did buy back in a little earlier. It's probably not the best time to buy. It's the biggest candle I've seen in my life. Biggest candle I've seen in my life. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for coming on in on this beautiful, beautiful Saturday night. What a time to be alive. Let's celebrate the crypto space. All-time highs for so many coins. We are blasting off into infinity, baby. Into infinity. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Can we get the likes up, please? We have 79 likes. Can we get the likes way past 43? I bring that pain. I bring that energy. Can you bring it all the way? We're doing damage. Hey, I'm new to the channel and really new to crypto in general. What do you think are some great coins to hodl for the next 2 to 3 years? Really love the content. Waiting for you to reach 100K soon. Aldridge Fun Scat. You know, what I really think you should get into is VeChain. I think VeChain's a 10-year hold. I think Cardano is a 10-year hold. These are coins you really want to make sure you have a position in my thorough opinion. Okay? In my thorough opinion, these are the coins that you want to have a big thorough position in. Please, can we get the likes all the way to 50, 60, 70 likes? We got 70 people in here. That means 30 of you people. Are you not entertained? Am I not doing enough for you? Scam coin and mommy's milker coin. Get big mommy milker coin. He's probably serious. There's probably shout out to the $50 super chat though for Crypto Greg, man. Starting it off on the Saturday night. Never shy with the pence, bro. Always throwing down the pound. Much respect to you, my friend. What's the difference between 2 Patreon membership tiers? One is sold out and one isn't. Love, my brother. Thanks for the shout out and the Shiba. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for jumping on in. We're going to keep it moving. We have Ascent up on the radar. That's the coin that I'm talking about right now that I think you should probably want to pay attention to. Since we've been sitting here, it's up 6% and about to break its all-time high. And when it does that, I think it's going to explode out of this cup and handle to a crazy, crazy place. So, I need you guys to understand that Ascent is about to blast. It's on KuCoin right now. That's where you can grab this thing up. All right? Don't be shy. Don't be shy, all right? Grab yourself some Ascent today. Don't be shy. Here is KuCoin. If you don't know about KuCoin and you want to get familiar with KuCoin, please run over to KuCoin and join today. Link in the description below. Anyway, I need to put some USDC in here. Honestly, I want to put the USDC so I can buy something. No, I got to move some Binance money into KuCoin. I've gained like 10x on Big Mommy Milker. It's the best swing trade so far. Hey, Lifer, thanks for a great, awesome tutoring session. Shout out to Brian Molesky. Much respect to you. We had a great time tutoring today. I even tutor on a Saturday. No days off, my friends. No days off. Everyone wants to know what's going on with Safe Moon. Who doesn't want to see Safe Moon on the chart? I do. I know you do. Let's look at waves. You saw me sell waves live at 34.88. It's back down to 31.54. It's now going to probably hit the 200-day moving average. Let's take a look at it on the 4-hour. Waves is flagging. It had a huge pump, followed by a little bit of bearish divergence. Now it's going to have to cool off. Might even, yep, it touched this previous area. We'll see it form the bowl, and now you'll have time to consolidate, get back into waves. 4-hour is extremely oversold, though, so she may want to blow again. What I would do on waves is just buy bottom of the pattern. Right now, it's actually pretty close. Interesting. The daily is also a little hot, though. The daily is oversold and coming to the downside. So that's why I would let this daily play out. It's going to have to touch the 21-day moving average on the daily. Looks like these are going to have to touch each other, and then wait, it'll find its way. Happy I did sell half at the time that I did. Get into the Ascent. You get into Ascent? I'm about to buy Ascent tonight. I bought some earlier. Gonna buy some. The Patreon is legit. Yeah, see, he just joined. He pays the 90. He loves it. Absolutely loves it. Good to see you, Lifer. Something was telling me you're live. I knew it. Good time to buy Safe Moon. Safe Moon Cash did damage yesterday, thanks to whoever was talking about it. They were pushing Safe Moon Cash on us the other day over and over and over again. I was like, guys, I don't want to do Safe Moon Cash. But, hey, we had to do it, I guess. You guys made money on it. I didn't do it. I felt a little coerced, you know. Sometimes I feel like I'm getting pushed into these these ish coins. We call them ish coins now, right? It's probably the best thing to say. So we'll wait for waves to cool off. I think it has some time to hit this 21. That's my projection. So we don't have to look at waves until it does that. At least about a week, few more days for it to cool down. Patreon is legit, but is the guy legit? Tyler on Steens. Do you guys know any better than Crypto Lifer? Shout out to Tyler on Steens. Tyler on Steens is the kid that left me a message the other day that said, stop showing up in your bathrobe, in your hoodie. This kid had some nerve, this kid Tyler right here, guys. This little kid right here. I've been paying for premium for other groups on Discord, and they were just selling alerts. We don't sell alerts. We teach you how to fish, my friends. We teach you how to love. We teach you how to love yourself. Like, honestly, it's like it's about self-love and spiritual growth, as well as it's not just like, honestly, my group is not just about like trying to make you rich. I'm trying to make you whole in every single way possible, honestly. It's kind of, my teaching is about discipline. So without discipline, you can't learn my teaching. And you can only discipline yourself through knowing yourself and being whole. So there's a whole channel. Once you join the Crypto Lifers, it's not like anything you've ever done in your life. I think it's completely different. Like, it's not like I'm a different person than anyone. You've never met someone like me. Every person is a universe, and my universe is so deep and so vast. And why don't you come spend time spiraling through my planets, and you will find out, my friend, how high your vibration can go. I'll take you to the highest place you've ever been, man. Internally, spiritually, visually, financially, because that comes with the territory, right? Okay, VeChain about to break, sitting in this buy zone right here. This is where I would open up the trade, guys. It gets into the buy zone, it's hot. That means it broke above resistance and it's ready. I would even be preemptive and start getting it here. I was getting it at the bottom. You can see the daily is about to have a MACD cross. We're getting high with some momentum. Movement for VeChain. I see it getting all the way up here to 40 cents, guys. 40 cents is the target for VeChain right up here. So there you go, 22 to 40 cents. VeChain's gonna do its thing, man. If you didn't get VeChain down at a penny, man, we were buying it at a penny, 2 pennies. Lifer is like a fine wine when you don't know anything about wine. Then you realize who you're hanging with. I never seen something like Lifer, man. Nab J, I wish I knew you last year. You made crypto interesting even while making money. Shout out to Jap Akin 2. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Much respect to every single person out here. You guys rock it out. Let's look at the dollar index. I haven't looked at that in a while. Ooh, that's a beautiful sight. Goodbye, dollar. Bye, dollar. How's that? Shoulder, head, shoulder, bang. Let's see the target of the head and shoulders. And guys, don't play patterns that are bearish. Don't try to find, no, this is the head and shoulders that won't go down on me. Oh, yes, it will. That's why beginners lose so much money. They buy at the top of a head and shoulders. They don't even know what they're doing. They don't even know how to open a chart. It's not their fault. They don't know. Lifer is beyond brilliant, man. Shout out to Rav Kant Rai. Shout out to you, man. Ravi Rai, man. You're the man, dude. Don't say that, man. You guys are making me blush, bro. Enjoy your night, Lifers. Got to go spend time with my kids. Shout out, Matt. Thank you for coming on in. Yeah, Shiba Inu did a 590% move, I think. I never seen something like. Thank you guys, man. What are your thoughts on LCC, Litecoin Cash? I think it's pretty cool and interesting. I don't know. I'm not too hype about it. Seems like a cash grab, but we never know. Can we get the likes up, guys? Oh, you know what it is? The likes are probably up. I just got to refresh, but still. Can we get the likes up to 100 likes? We got 95 people up in here. Let's get those likes going, man. Not even that I care about the likes. I just want to grow the community, man. I want to grow the community. There's no other way. There's no other way. It's the algorithm. It makes it move. It gets people to go. It gets the little picture to go further up in the spot. And then, you know, it works, man. It works. It does what it does for me. Burger B&B starting to make a move. Gave you a call for Burger as well. Looking at Burger. What's high today right now? We're going to see what's high on my list. Okay, RLC starting to make some big moves. Pumping extremely hard in the last 3-4 days. Look, rising wedge. After the inverted head and shoulder. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Broke to the upside. You see? All you have to do is learn your patterns and let the patterns do what they're supposed to do and stop stressing. People don't want to do the due diligence, and that's why they're worried. If you do the math, if you do what you got to do, look, this is an inverted head and shoulders. These break to the upside. It's that simple. When you find one, you buy the right shoulder or the top of the head and you let it play out. Okay? Then if you looked at RLC, look, it made a beautiful bull pennant. You could see this one without even drawing it. It was so apparent to me. And bam. Then you got to get your measured move to see where it's going to go, to see where you could take some profits or figure out where it might be a slight pullback even. If you want to be greedy and grab a little more of the coin. That's going to be kind of where we're going to hit our measured move. You take the length of the pole to where the 21 starts to curve. You watch the angle. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. This thing just going to keep moving. A little bit of stress. Was it ever there before? You take a look at the bigger time frame. Now you're looking at support and resistance. No. As far as I'm concerned on the USDT pair, this thing is fresh. But on the BTC pair, it probably is sitting at some resistance. So now you got to look at the BTC pair a little bit. It's worth doing that due diligence on RLC. Shout out to anyone in RLC. Got me some accent on KuCoin. Good idea. Can I have a look at Saturna? It looks like the next safe moon. Shout out to Crypto Lifer. Join your Patreon today. Thoughts on 1inch and Theta. Thanks, Insane Garage. That's dope, man. Lifer, you have taught me so much about crypto in the last week. Thanks a lot, man. Really difficult to find genuine crypto content nowadays. I keep hearing that, guys, all the time, you know, and I don't spend much time out there on the charts. I mean, out there on the YouTube. Most of my time is spent here on the charts just doing my thing. So I don't know how bad it is out there anymore, but you guys have been telling me it's horrible out there. So I believe in you guys. I know you're telling me the truth. It's sad that it's that bad out there. All right, so RLC Bitcoin finally, look, we had it in this kind of bowl. We were talking about it the other day. Starting to make a big move. You said you're an RLC ETH. Let's take a look at RLC ETH. Okay, so you're going to play the bottom. I get it. You're going to play that bottom. Got to get some ETH out of that move. It does like to pump. Look, it pumps on ETH. It dumps. It pumps on ETH. It dumps. It pumps on ETH. It dumps. What do you think is going to happen now? Looks like it will get ready for a pump on ETH. Am I playing it? I'm not sure if I'm comfortable with it at the moment. It is in the inverted head and shoulders. It did break to the upside like everything. It's starting to make a big move. Higher highs. Starting to form a bowl. Actually, you know what? I will have to say, you know, you have to have BALZs to buy the bottom. But this thing is in a cup and handle and about to break this level. Once it breaks this level, it will gap to the upside. Daily is a little oversold at the moment. I'd wait for it to kind of cool off. But this does look like a good long-term play, possibly to make some ETH. If you can make it back to that all-time high, which a lot of times they always, I mean, almost, I've seen all the ones that I've watched this bull run have all made it back to their all-time high. Make 504%, 5x on your ETH, put 1 ETH in there and make 5 ETH. And when ETH goes to freaking 10K, so right now ETH 3K, you put it in there. ETH turns to 10K, you get 5 of them. You end up turning $3,000 into 60K, man. That's what happens, bro, in this game. Check lever, it drops in a day. Reminds me of Aave. Interesting. What about Doge on SNL tonight? I mean, that's crazy, right? I should have mentioned that in the title. Probably would have got us more pumps. But, yeah, we'll see. Can we get the likes all the way up to the watchers live? Or you taught me so much. Dang, appreciate that. Thoughts on 1inch and Theta. Both coins I own, both coins I really love. I believe you have to have some 1inch and you have to have some Theta, in my opinion. Let's take a look at 1inch. Guys, if you want me to go over a coin, shoot me a super chat. Much appreciated. I don't want to change the interval. Why is it doing that? Oh, wow, that's funny. I had a number. It thinks I'm trying to find a number. I'm like, no, I'm trying to find a coin. I'm trying to find 1inch, baby. 1 inch holding well above $7. Okay. Finally starting to break out. Look what I had it in this pennant. Breaking out. I said the buy zone is right there. It entered the buy zone. Right when it entered the buy zone, snatch it up. Starting to make a big move. We also had an inverted head and shoulder right there. We talked about buying into the right shoulder. Talked about the head. We talked about the bullish divergence that was established. This thing is going to make big moves. This is a big exchange, guys, with a beautiful user experience. Bit of a side cup and handle as well. So, I see it breaking all the way up here to $11.33. 62% gains from where it's at now. Actually, if we move it up a little bit more, about 62% gains from where it's at right now. 1 inch exchange, baby. We started buying 1 inch down at $1.34, even 90 cents. One of my first nibbles. We're good. We're making a good 7x, easy 6x right now on 1 inch, and we're going to continue to rip it. When it gets all the way to 40, we will have done a 40x in 1 inch. This is going to be one of my greatest plays I've ever made, and it was a long, slow haul, and you guys were trying to see it. If you just joined my group, I will give you a 1 inch call, and you would take so long, and people would be like, I don't understand life for 1 inch. But I'm saying, if you just keep it moving, TLC got listed on Coinbase custody too. Okay. RLC got listed on Coinbase custody. That's a big deal. So it should make a move against ETH. Interesting. It is low too, and it's very low. I like how you have insight already. You're already kind of adding to the game. That's very important to see. I like to see that. Look, shoulder, head, shoulder, inverted head and shoulders on Ravencoin. A lot of these coins are going to start making a move to the upside, bouncing off previous lows just while we're passing on by. Let's take a look at XSP, our old friend. I haven't talked about SXP in a while. Shoulder, look, one of the biggest head and shoulders I've ever seen in my life, man. Look at that. That thing on the daily, I'm telling you right now, that's a sign that this thing is going to fly, man. Bit of like a kind of, watch this. We'll look at this in a funny way, but this is definitely a cup and handle. I mean, this is it's a cup and handle here because there's a cup on the sideline. It's a handle that broke out with a pennant right there. There's a lot going on with this right now. There's a lot going on with this. Definitely the shoulder head and the shoulders going on. Then it formed into a bull pennant easily. And it looks like a breakout of a cup and handle as well. So if we look at it here, breakout of the cup and handle.
Hi,
oh my gosh. Breakout of the cup and handle. You scared me, honey. Mwah. I love you, sweetheart.
Love you.
Have a good night.
Good night.
Good night. You had played a great game today. 2 games. Thank you so much. You're such a good girl. Okay, boom. So this broke all the way up to about $6.81. Let's take a look at this bull pennant here. It is a shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. Sketchy. Usually they break out. So far, so good. It's fighting off the bearish, very bearish pattern. You know, it's an extremely bearish pattern right there. Sam, your 911 video moved me. Progress. Thanks, man. I'm cool that you went back and watched that, bro. Insane, right? So look, it looks like this could break on out. Bam, SXP making big moves up out of the cup and handle and continue to the upside. My target there is $8 for SXP, man. Think about it. Bacon at $8, SXP can easily hit $8, man. Of course, of course. Oh, crazy. I'm on. A lot of miners do. I started mining Raven the other day. You should can you teach me how to mine Raven? It's not that hard. It's one of the easier coins to mine, right? I mean, from what I could be completely wrong. That's what I think. I don't even know what I'm talking about, right? But that's what I think. Now, I remember said, oh, 1 inch, and I said this will be the time. It breaks $6, and I don't see it ever coming back, man. Went to $7.91 now. It's eating for that $8 1 inch, man. Who would have thought? And Theta. I was wondering what the other coin that you asked about. Let's take a look at Theta. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and becoming a crypto lifer, man. You can only be so good. You can only be so good. This is my Theta prediction. Something like this was going on. It's never going to be exact, right? Sometimes our fractals are all pretty crazy, but shoulder, head, and shoulder doing its thing. When that happens, I like to take the head out of the pattern, because if you do, the pattern starts to make sense. Now, try not to do this until you become more pro-ish. If you're omitting things before you become pro-ish. But see, this might come back down into the pattern. There's a chance, right? We'll see. It could be a fake out right now. I think it may. We'll see. I want to see if it holds above this trend line. So then I'm going to put support and resistance lines. Support and resistance is so key. Previous support, previous resistance. That's why we came back for support right there. Insane, right? Starting to form that bowl. Yo, GRT, I was thinking about it today as the worst trade I've had this whole time. 2 months now doing absolutely nothing, bro. 2 months doing absolutely nothing. So I'm gonna reveal a little bit of my portfolio in about a half an hour at about 9:15. If you stay tuned, you're gonna see what some of my new things that I bought, some of the old things that I bought, just a little mix of what's going on in my portfolio today. As Shiba Inu keeps continuing to go up, like not stopping now, like going to some crazy places here. You would not believe it. Shiba Inu continuing to rip to the crazy upside. 400 up to, at 15 now. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at this thing. Look, another candle. See it? Ripping this candle, rip back. Nope, they want more. What if it prints another double? The crash on this will have to be crazy, right? I mean, how could something do this and not crash? Could have swapped your GRT for ETH and had a massive run up. I know. I agree. I got out of GRT. I should have done that. I had it locked in Coinbase. Should keep my liquidity out there ready to rock at all times, man. I'm about to open my Coinbase up and get it locked and loaded. Like get it out of Coinbase, get it into Coinbase Pro. Like I used to keep it running. Become more aggressive. I'm about to get way more aggressive in this game. I've been aggressive, but I can be even more aggressive. I really can. We can turn it up. I like Silo here, $27 million. $27 million market cap and only a penny. Find it on KuCoin. Tell them the Crypto Life has sent you. SNX, man, one of my worst performers in the portfolio. But I have faith, man. I have faith that she's going to blow, and she's going to blow well. Let's see. Pause. Sorry. I wasn't saying it like that. Wasn't even thinking it, like, was just doing the... Sorry. It's over now. It's over. Next thing you know, I'll get, don't even want to say the word, and not shall be healed. Okay, $41.93. Not bad, right? For SNX. Let's see it, SNX. You can do this. Make us proud. Stop playing games. Show us you're the synthetic asset that you really are. I want to see you make some big gains. I really do. Wow, Shibu continuing to go up. Like, if you sold it, it was a bad idea. I can't believe this. So what you got to do is go to smaller time frames and see what's going on. And look, that's it's making a shoulder head and it's making an inverted head and shoulder right here. Inside of a pennant. I mean, traditionally, this should break to the upside. And you say, well, how far? Well, the length of the pole. So if I just do what I always do for you guys and what I do for myself every day for a living, which is this, make a triangle and make a position, this should break out and go up even more, which is crazy. If you can't put a stop loss, I'd be really weary of it. Put what you're willing to lose, but bam, look, like, looks like you could put another, looks like it wants to go up another 100% from here, which is crazy. We can keep this on the back radar and get back to it in a second, but it's insane. Bonfire is making huge moves? Really? I didn't think so. Let's see. Look at Bonfire. Well, Shiba Inu, man, looks like it wants more. We'll go back to it. We'll go back to it at the end of the stream, about an hour. In about an hour. Why is the crypto market so hot? Because it's so great. Because you're not in it yet. Tyler Unstein. This is the kid that told me that I woke up in my hoodie. But you know what? I respect you for coming to my face. But I wish you would have wrote it to my face. You should have wrote, hey, man, Why do we lose 20 people real quick? We had 95 watchers, man. People were just tired in Europe. They just couldn't hang anymore. Trying to go to sleep. But Tyler, I want you to write the comment that you wrote right now on the live to my face. I like the Y0X coin. I mean, the biggest exchange in India, of course it's going to go well. I literally see it everywhere. Now it's on Reddit and the news. Bonfire is making some huge moves. Let's take a look at Bonfire. That would be good to know. I think Bonfire could be the one. I see it getting pumped heavy duty on in a lot of places. You gotta go to KuCoin for Bonfire. I hate going there though. Bogged Finance ain't too bad either though, right? Look at Lev when you get a chance. We'll take a look at that. Look, he won't answer me, but I knew it was him, man. I knew it was him. Canelo fight, UFC. Everyone wants to see that UFC fight. Let's take a look at what are we taking a look at? Bogged Finance, which is probably a good coin to get anyway. Glad I kept my Bonfire. We're gonna take a look at it right now here on Bogged Finance. We can set a limit order. Dex Guru is pretty nice too. Sniper chart. See, look, Bogged Finance, man. This place is pretty cool. Found out about it in the life of Telegram. There you go, baby. Always hooking me up. Bonfeezy. Let's take a look at Bonfeezy, baby. Bonfires. You have to do the... Alright, we'll have to get the contract addy. I think all these little coins are making a comeback now. Everyone's getting comfortable. A whole wave of people coming into the market. Yeah, up 88% today. Bonfire doing its thing and making some big gains, man. Not bad. I went a little heavy into this, man. A little heavier than I should have, than I normally do, honestly. I'll be honest with you guys. What's life without a little risk? But, you know, I've earned that risk at this point. I've pushed my rock up my hill. I'll take a shot here and there. We'll take a look at what's up with this chart if I get a moment. Bonfire. There we go, baby. Up 83%. Some wick action going on there. Okay. Funny, the wickage. It's like icicles, this thing. But just continuing, look, it's on a continuous uptrend. Very high uptrend, though. To me, it looks like it might be ready for another pullback. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, though. A lot of buys, though. A lot of people just buying into these, man. Look, it's all green right now. Just now. That's crazy. What I like to do is I like to go to BSC scan, and I like to take a look at what it looks like there on the Explorer. Ace retracing, still hanging on. That's good, man. I want to get into Ace. I want it to come down a little bit. It did a nice pump this afternoon. Look, 8 seconds ago, 11 seconds ago. This is what you want in a coin, you know? Like, we take a look at Safe Mars. You don't want to be in a coin if it ain't moving every second. Every second. 11 seconds, 8 seconds. So that's, you know, Safe Mars might still be viable. This is common sense stuff, guys. You go to the BSC scan. Yeah, I guess most people are like, what do you mean? Oh, to learn about Binance Smart Chain, know everything about Binance Smart Chain, know how to go to the scan, know how to look at the scan, know how to look up the contract address, know the Oh yeah, that's all common sense. But it is though, right? Think about it. Once you get into the game, it is, right? So look, we're gonna take a look at Safe Moon now. And you just want to make sure your coin is popping hard in here. 12 seconds. Look how many things happened in 12 seconds ago. 15 seconds. People buying on top of buying on top of buy. This is what you want to see for a coin. If you don't see this, where you at? You guys were telling us about Pig Finance like 2 months ago. Pig Finance was all the rage. It must have pumped and dumped, and now it pumped again. I just joined the last week or two. I have high hopes. The Patreon stream was dope. Thank you, Ron B. Much respect to you. I'm ready to take a bigger risk. Put 500 on one of these coins. James Bond is in another one of them. Woke James Bond is another one of them at Crypto Lifer. Woke James Bond is a coin. You went to Token Sniffer and checked that out? Crypto Deep Dives. Let's take a look at Token Sniffer. This is where you find out where it's coming from. This is where we get into it. Lever token, Lev. Someone just asked me to go over Lev. See? We got you. Shiba Inu puppies, bro. See that? The puppies might just blows. American Akita. The Dogelon father. Then you got Doge father. You got them all, man. Obi-Wan Kenobi. It's funny, man. Like Obi-Wan. They're all elongate, long. Hansa, War, Dijo. They can't all moon, can they? If you get at them early, like this one came out an hour ago. We could just try stuff like that. Like it came out an hour ago. Right? Date deployed. You want to see if it's a scam too, guys. Like this stuff is scammy. Like this is not what I want to promote, thoroughly. I'm about to put about 10 grand into KuCoin and go into some nice, small cap gems that are going to make me some good money. Everyone laughs, well, this makes it, but 3 minutes. See, this doesn't have the movement. See that? It doesn't have the movement. So I'm already weary. See? That's how I do my due diligence, right? I don't just do what someone told me to do. I'm a master of this craft. This is something that I do for a living every single day of my life. I'm not trying to get fooled by the next play. It is up 84. Oh, this is Bonfire. Let's take a look. You can't even find some of these things when they first come out. That's why you have to find them here on Token Sniffer. It's the only place you'll know where they are at. It's the only way to get them. Now, the only way to find out how much you have in these coins is really to try to sell them. That's what I do. I don't really try anything else because it doesn't make sense. So we take a look here. We try to sell this here on Pancake Swap. I'll try to sell my Bonfire, my Bonphoebe. Maybe it's on V2. It's a lot of migrating lately and playing games. There it is right there. Add a bot user. Add a bot user. You got to give these sites a little bit. Friday night, Saturday night, everyone's home. Everyone's buying these coins. That's when people get home and start doing this stuff. People that are during the week don't have time. Oh yeah, I was going to buy that coin my buddy told me about. I was about to be like, where's my Bonfire? I'm in the wrong address, Show me the BUSD. I like to sell it in the BUSD, why not, right? It just flows on Binance Smart Chain. 3,300. So not bad. Not bad. 3,300 in Bonfire. Let this thing run. This could turn into 30. This could turn into 40, 50, 60 grand. You let it do its thing. You let it sit there for a month, 2 months, 3 months. I'm telling you right now, man, these coins are insane. They're certain ones. You know what? Why Bonfire might be hot is I saw a guy with 2.8 million followers on Twitter, and I guess they pay these guys to tweet. So what they do is they make a coin and then they pay a bunch of people to go about it, and they pump it more than anything else. Let's get the likes up all the way to 100 likes, man. 100 likes. Damn, Crypto Craig stays super chatting you all the time, bro. And you guys don't show the love like on a Saturday night. But that's why the loyal people, man, they get the most love, man. That dude probably gets so much love in his life. Life, you taught me so much, man. Much respect to you, bro. Much respect to you. Cake's struggling a little bit, too. We'll take a look at what's going on with Cake. Let's take a look at the old elephant in the room, Bitcoin. We gave you a call right here, right when the channel started. Booming. This thing's doing well. It's going to battle with the all-time high. What you want to do now is go to a smaller time frame just to see what's going on. I want to see what this chart looks like. And look, we see a breakout, a retest with a wedge, fall back, bouncing. It's doing a little bit of a cup and handle here. Telling me it probably does want to break to the upside. Wait for it to come on in, and that's going to be my entry later on tonight. I'm going to be entering into this coin. I like it a lot. I'm going to open a position in Ace. An Ace for sure. The stream didn't show up where it normally does. I had to go to your channel to view it. It didn't just pop up. Did you get to my super chat? Tyler Durden. We looked at Lev by accident. We already found it. We'll take a look at it again, though. Doesn't look too hot with not many buyers, though. I didn't like what I saw there, so I kind of want to stay in clear of it. Nikki by the dips. CHZ right off the bat. The first thing he asked for. I do hold a bag of CHZ. I think it's a good idea. Now, I don't really like using USDT pairs anymore. I think we're past that. In the deep bull run, you want to be using BTC pairs. You want to take advantage of the Bitcoin appreciation price while you're also trading in these coins. And I really want to push that idea on you guys, not to be trading in USDT. Let's take a look at what we see here. So it's forming a cup and handle that was going to break out, and now it's respecting the new trend line with the 200-day moving average. Perfect place to get in. Really good price, 49. I'm going to call that as a great entry right there. You can see it's in a bit of a bull flag with some bullish, not bullish divergence there. It might have been established on an earlier time frame, like the 1 hour. Let's take a look here. A little bit of bullish divergence there for sure. Swing down to swing down. And when we take that, we got to swing to the upside. Up to the same place there, bam. That is bullish divergence yet established for sure. Either way, bam, bam. Tells you that's probably your bottom on the head, shoulder head. Kind of a shoulder there too as well. Looks a lot like a lot of coins. All kind of playing these same games. Fall out there. There's your length of your pole. Where's it going to go? It's going to break out of this. It's a very bullish coin with connections to... I heard... Hold up. We didn't publicize this information yet. But I heard something, and I want to see if it's true. Will CHC go after the NFL? For investors looking for unique crypto options, CHZ Chiliz has become one of the hottest topics of late. There happens to be a few catalysts taking investors on Chiliz on a nice ride. Accordingly, some pretty interesting Chiliz price predictions are now circulating around this cryptocurrency play. For NHL fans like myself, Chiliz is one heck of an exciting catalyst right now. Today, the company announced a marketing relationship with the New Jersey Devils, a move that has brought a lot of excitement to the crypto enthusiasts. For more real-world use cases justify investing in such tokens. Investors who haven't checked out Socios.com should. The fan engagement platform built on the Chiliz blockchain uses Chiliz as the platform's exclusive currency. Accordingly, for investors, this is really hot. We love what we do. Socios Network. You see this? Rewards, fan tokens, learn. You get fan tokens to connect, to be part, like you're closer. You're like closer. You can vote on things now. Like you hold the tokens and now you can vote. Look at that bonfire just hit 4,000. That's how fast these things move. Look at that now. Starting to make a bit of a move in the zone with bonfire, man. Work harder. Play harder. It's a lifestyle. Work at Chiliz and Socios.com. It's demanding but incredibly rewarding and fun. Careers at Socios. Engage. Talking to fans is what we do. Our values. Learn rewards the app. Get out and hunt fan tokens for free on this virtual adventure. Voted #1 game on the Socios app. And go find fan tokens that you can use. It's pretty cool. Keep an eye on the marketplace by trading. The buy and sell club fan tokens and increase your influence. Badges and levels up. Be active on the app to achieve badges. Pretty weird. Need help with Socios app? The company. Take a look at what we do. It's definitely an app to make you closer to the team that you love. They got UFC up there, right? I don't know why they don't have the New Jersey Devils logo right there, but they should right away. But just to put this on your radar, man, having a deal with the New Jersey Devils is a big deal for CHG. Levi's is on Uniswap, I believe, dropping its first exchange. Check the website. They have out $100 in just to see. Put $100 in just to see. Do you think it's a good time to get into basic attention token? I mean, I know what you're saying. Honestly, let's look at basic attention token. I love basic attention token. I think it's a great play. SNX, man, ready to blow, man. Remember I said that. The lifer called it. He said it, bro. We said it. Yo, I heard him say it. Like, it was like Saturday night, a live stream, bro. We said, like, yo, buy that coin, bro. And, you know, a couple days later, that coin was up. So, like, this guy know what he's talking about, man. What up, Lifer? Did you get into Litecoin Cash? Nah, baby, nah. I got into Bitcoin Cash. Nah. Basic attention token, right? It was in this falling wedge. What did it do? Swing down and swing down. Swing up to swing up. Fundamentals, baby. Fundamentals. The fundamentally crazy. And there we go. It goes all the way up to the upside. Broke out on that. That will always be your low. The next swing on the bullish divergence. I've shown this on the chart and on the live stream probably like 1,000 times. Swing down to swing down. Swing up to swing up. Gives you the bullish divergence. Tells you that you'll break on out of the channel. And what you do, you break on out of the channel. What do I talk about all the time on the live stream? I say it every single day. I say if you have a falling wedge and the 200-day moving average is moving through the bottom or the last, half or 25% of the pattern, it's a sign of a catalyst that the price will move to the upside. If you have the moving average is getting very tight like they are right here, it's a sign that the price will move to the upside. So I would say that this is an ascending triangle of sorts, and it looks like basic attention token does want to go to some higher lanes here and break to the upside. So despite its recent gains and its up and down swing, I think it's going to break the all-time high and get to some crazy places. So yes, I do believe we can see a big move in basic attention token not too long from now. Kind of a giant double bottom forming as well. Where do I see it going? Well, all we can do is kind of take the length of the pole, which I'll take that in a bearish scenario, in a bullish scenario, breaking out of the top trend line after breaking the all-time high. And that puts it all the way up here at about $2.91 for basic attention token. See you later, BAT. See you later. That's why I came across ACE. It's similar to basic attention token. Refreshing crypto viewing here. Thank you, man. So many coins, so little cash. Sol is trying to break out. Let's take a look at Solana. You want to be in Solana. You want to be in Radium. You want to be in Serum. You want to be a part of the Solana network. It's just what you got to do, my friends. It's just what you got to do. Double bottom here forming. Okay, that's a W, friends. That's a W. All right. Yeah, a little bit of bearish divvy, but I feel like it formed already. I like what we're seeing for Solana. We gave the trade way back. Look, we'll go to Solana BTC. Just to show you how progressive this group is. This was the trade we gave you right there for Solana when it made this. First, we gave you this trade here. The bigger, this was in a cup and handle. This is what ACE is in right now, guys. ACE is looking just like this. Okay? Remember what I said with ACE, Ascent, man. Remember what I said. Remember what I said. Remember what I said. Can someone write what I just said in the description or in the comment box? I'm being funny tonight, all right? I'm just being funny. But I would want someone to write down what I just said and take a picture of it too and then print it out. Print it out. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in and being awesome. Your lifers, your savages. The Kyber Network. Let's take a look at the Kyber Network because it has a lot going for it. It's been around a while. I used to dabble in it. Used to think it was one of the coins I would buy. I never did buy it. But let's take a look at the Kyber Network. Okay? KNC. KNC. The Kyber Network. Never seen this Kyber Network Crystal Legacy. I never saw all that stuff. I never knew it had all that going for it. That's new to me, honestly. But that's KNC. They must have changed all that. If you look right here, look, cup and handle boomed out. And then if you look at these areas, you can see it broke this high. And it's retesting that previous high. So it's probably going to get ready to make a big move to the upside, in my humble of opinion. So very interesting to say the least, right? So the Kyber Network, man, I like it. It's got a $695 million market cap, almost at $1 billion, right? So, not, we're looking for those tiny, nice gems that pump us up. But this isn't bad. I mean, it's a strong idea. I never really deep dived on their website, even though it's been on my face for years. I'm like, oh yeah, the Kyber Network. And then I'm like, well, what do they do? Seamless token swaps anywhere. Kyber is a blockchain-based liquidity protocol that aggregates liquidity from a wide range of reserves, powering instant and secure token exchange in any decentralized application. Build with Kyber, provide liquidity, join the Kyber DAO. I like that. How's Kyber on-chain protocol works? We don't really care. I just want it to work. No, I'm just joking. Kyber's liquidity infrastructure for decentralized finance. Kyber aggregates liquidity from diverse sources into a single pool, which provides the best rates for takers such as dApps, wallets, DEXs, and end users. Transactions on Kyber are fully on-chain and thus fully transparent and verifiable. It's pretty good, man. The Kyber Network, bro. Pretty interesting. Where is Ace at, though? On KuCoin, baby. How does this channel work? Does he give calls or we give him calls? This guy's a weirdo. What do you think of free? Going for 1,000x. Yeah. Do we give him calls that he's giving? Brave Bat is going hard as F against Google and making Google sweat. I believe they will. And you know what? In 10 years, they could be bigger than Google. Ref. R-E-F-F-F. Ref. So there's Kyber Network. Let's take a look at the chart. KNC. Did you get wrapped up in KNC, Jesse? You holding for the long times? You holding for the through the cold winters with your KNC in your lap? Little KNC baby. Saturday night, man. Too late for you guys. Look, so we had this beautiful kind of trend that broke. Inverted head and shoulders. I'd like to see us get back into the trend, honestly. We are actually, oh, not yet though. We got to get back into the trend. That's the trend right there. See? We bounced off it, tried to get in. We're still fighting with that trend, but we're in an overall uptrend. You see, we got you into Kyber Network back here at about $1.86. Now it's at $3.46. So, low, who's the weirdo? I left myself. Decentralized everything in their process right now. It's true. Read the other ones above the braver. Last few comments, bro. Biggest hodl that will not go down, bro. Bat is the only coin that will gain no matter what. I see you. You wrote the same thing 10 times, man. Sol is doing pretty decent right now. TFU and OG and going to Alpha Centauri soon. That's pretty crazy. So you got Alpha. I'm really a big fan of Alpha Finance, man. I think it's going to do great things, and I'm hyped for it, too. Cool, but I don't know how Brave Browser is making it impossible for me to withdraw my bats. If you're in New York, that's probably what it is. Yeah, I got a bag. Yeah, I got a bag of the KNC. Yeah, I'm trying to flip what you say to me. Yeah, I'm trying to do what I do each day. And if you don't like it, you can my SA, babe. Satoshi. I'm stacking my Satoshis. I'm stacking my promotions. I'm bouncing with the lashing, with the crashing for my lobby. And to the bed and hit the cannon for my lobby. And she did this with the standing for my lobby. Please review my RLC chart I sent in the direct message. What if I don't want to? And I want to be bad. I want to be a bad boy and just not do it. Woo Tread has been going nice and smooth. Okay, let's take a look at what my man Hadouken is talking about. I will take 2 months based on previous moves, but here is something very interesting. Pumps every 2 months. RLC pump. Okay, I'm with you on that. But yeah, I'm weary on this one, man. The market structure just will. So look, up here, pump gets a little higher, though. Up here, pump gets a little higher. Up here. I mean, this suggests that the... See, look, we had low, higher low, higher low, higher low, lower low. Now we have a lower low. So we're technically still in a downtrend. You see this? Because right here, if we draw a line, that to that, that's a downtrend. And we draw this line, at least from there to there, it's kind of like... Can it make it all the way back on this one? Is this going to be the one? It's an interesting pattern. We don't see this a lot too, right? Why are your patterns always small? I don't get it. We've been talking about this for like 6 months now. We don't know what's going on. Can someone tell us why? And we're pretty techie here. Should be able to figure it out. My only thought is you do it on a phone or a tablet and not on a computer, and it uses the resolution of your screen. But maybe there's a setting where you can say, don't use my screen's resolution. Use like default resolution or whatever. Use the viewer's resolution. You might have a setting in there, man, that you could just flip off. Maybe not. Who knows? I'm just being creative with an idea here. Yeah, we like Kava a lot. I'm learning a lot about right now, Crypto Lifer. Thank you so much. They opened the world of crypto so much. It's mind-blowing. DSLA is consolidating for more. Let's take a look at DSLA. We got some DSLA lovers up in the spot. DSLA on KuCoin, another hot gem. It's only a penny. About to break out of this idea. I like where it's going. It's just forming this longer flag, right? I'd like to zoom in and see more of what's going on inside of the price action. So I double click on this. It makes it big. Open it up and it's like a doctor doing surgery. I want to see what's up here. Thought it was in a bit of a shoulder like that, right? Kind of forming a head and shoulder pattern that it should be breaking out of soon now. My opinion. My humblest of opinions. It's definitely holding a support region too as well. DSLA, man. It did break out, the original breakout, forming a funny pattern. Another pattern that it's in is this pattern too, though. It's hard to tell. I know Crypto Greg's looking at it. Could be in the broadening wedge. It's not my favorite of patterns, so to speak. I mean, we could almost cup and handle it. Look at this. Hold up. We can almost do this. Just getting creative though, you know? But that's how the money comes, from the creativity. Just like an artist. I believe this is an art. So you make money off your art when you do TA. It's pretty interesting. No one's ever said that, right? Not like in that way. Looks pretty interesting. A few of these have worked out just like that, and they've played out. So watch DSLA break into the upside. It is respecting this previous line of support and resistance right there. Very interesting. I know, right? All those guys are Turkish. So I heard Robinhood user dumped Doge big time this morning. Let's take a look at Doge. See what's going on with Doge. The old Dogecoin, eh? So I was looking at Doge and I jumped on in. Took a nice dump. So it went all the way up, what, 74? And then a dump. Now, look, there's the double bottom, though. Honestly, now it's in a bigger pattern. It's in this pattern here. But so far, it could be a bit of an ascending triangle, descending, rising wedge. It looks very healthy. If this wants to... So this has two choices, right? So I'll show you. That's the bearish pattern that breaks down 68% of the time. So majority of the time, this pattern tanks on us and breaks us down. Check Ohm on other exchange than Binance. All-time high is $2 Sol project. I quit Doge since it broke the parabola. I don't know, man. You got to just have an open mind and know that we don't know anything. We got to just play it. We just got to play the patterns. Now this could break out. If it breaks out, it's going to go up huge. So here it is. Doge could break out. And don't leave before I'm done, because I want you to hear me out here. What do you think about Prism? Looks like a self-replicating crypto printing machine, or a crypto mogwai. I smell money. The timing for SNL might be perfect on Doge to consolidate and climb out of that. Weird but true. Doge is a bubble. Doge is being timed up with the eclipse that's coming up on the 26th, being done for regulations. I believe you. Guys, I'm unemployed and I'm trying to trade crypto to buy a tuition for college. What coins do you guys recommend? Keep an eye on SNL tonight, 11:30 EST with Elon. Who's not going to watch that? We're all going to watch that. Like, everybody is going to watch that, man. Guys, we broke 100 people. Can we get 100 likes? Please, can I beg you guys? I did one shirtless stream. I'm not going to do it again. If you want to find it, you can find it. But I did do a shirtless stream. But don't make me do it again for some likes. Don't make me dance for dollars, baby. Don't make me dance for dollars. I will, though. I learned my lesson on Doge Day. Never again. Ha ha ha. That's so funny. Barry Silver told Doge Army to go home, saying he's shorting Doge now. Is he worried? I know, but why would he even do that? He's probably, everyone does the opposite of what they say they're going to do. He's probably dumping it. I mean, he's probably pumping it. Right there, though, swing up to swing up. Okay? On the 1 hour. And I see massive bearish divergence. Shout out to Tristan Fustalar. You're the man, dude. No, you're the man, dude. Thank you for the $20 super chat, man. Damn, man. Much respect to Tristan. Thank you for everything, man. One of my best students, bro. He taken 3 classes with me. Really stepped up his game. I see that he wants to really do the best that he can in his life. He inspires me as he's his own business owner, man. Shout out to Tristan, man. Much respect to you, bro. $20 super chat from my buddy Tristan right here. All the way from Australia, bro. I got friends all around the world, man. It's so cool. Shib, Coinbase listed it. We'll support soon. It will pay your tuition. Coinbase did not list Shiba Inu. Are you kidding me? They watch it right now, which is kind of, I guess you can watch any coin though. Thanks, Liver. Possible look at Matic? Thanks. Anytime, Crypto Greg. You're the man, dude. Is really crypto? You saying, where did you get this information? Reef has been in the Darvis Box accumulation. Should be a nice breakout. I agree. I agree. Coinbase misses out on Dogecoin. Lists as meme token rally 6,000% plus on Binance. Right? They would have made a bunch of money. Crypto.com did it. Listed it today. I sold my Doge too early. Never thought I'd be this big. It crashed the app. Sheeb. Nah, it wasn't there before. It listed on my exchange today. Damn. One lagging of flagging 12 cents. One's gonna do its thing, man. Let it do its thing. It was listed on my exchange today. Dog, check it. Bitcoin's gonna pump one more time. It's gonna get back into the alts, and we're gonna see a huge pump. Huge pump, man. The Darvis accumulation box, the Darvis investment theory, okay? What is the Darvis box theory? Darvis box theory is the trading strategy developed by Nicholas Darvis. Their target stock using high and volumes as key indicators. Darvis trading involves buying into stocks that are trading at new highs around a trading box around the recent highs and lows to establish an entry point and placement of the stop loss. A stock is considered to be in the Darvis box when the price action rises above the previous high but falls back to a price not far from that high. So like here. Darvis box, Darvis box, Darvis box. It's just a falling wedge where what he's doing is me, just my falling wedge. All he's doing is the falling wedge with the bullish divergence at the end. See? Falls with it. That's it. My system almost covers every system because it overlaps, which is insane. How's your Shiba bag doing, man? Pretty great. But yeah, BTG $10 in January now, 130, 170. Dumb. Bitcoin Gold, yeah. Bitcoin Gold, all the Bitcoins will start pumping. That's a new sign that we're in a huge bull run. These people run into Bitcoin Diamond, Bitcoin Gold because it's cheaper and they think, well, it's Bitcoin. You're going, yeah, we're going to 100K in mid-June, mid to late June. That coin will pay your college off. I've never had college debt, man, so I didn't have to pay my college off, thank God. I got the scholarship because I was a smart boy. No, man, screw college. You don't even need college, bro. The young kids know that. They all want to be YouTubers, man. That's the number one thing these kids want to be now. They want to be a YouTuber. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. We'll take a look at Matic. Tristan said, I'm the man. Thank you so much. Let's take a look at Prism. Please review my RLC. We looked at that. Can you look at Prism? We'll take a look at Prism. Thank you so much for the super chat, Hadouken. You don't need to do that, man. Much respect to you, bro. Prism. Keeping it moving, keeping it moving, keeping it grooving, keeping it spitting, keeping it ripping and dipping and flipping and getting the cup in the top of the rock and a ripping a hole and a clipping a no and I never knew and I never knew. Ooh, you wanna give it a bit in a new. Would you mind checking out AGI? We love AGI, Troy. We love that AGI. Look like a self-replicating crypto money printing machine. Prism price today. Let's take a look at PZM. 3 cents. Market cap 89 million. Okay, starting to make a move. People looking at it down in the dumps though, huh? It's been all the way at $1 before in August 2017. Old coin from back in the day coming back from the dead. Prism, or is it just never going to come back? You never know. Not every coin comes back. I'll be honest. Not every coin comes back. Prism, I like this website right off. Decentralized crypto network. Key features of Prism. Prism is a fully decentralized self-regulating system with native blockchain and unique paramining technology. Prism is 100% proof-of-stake cryptocurrency based on the Next Core, built in the open-source Java language. A new implementation of cryptocurrency concept that allows any user to store Prism transfers and make them directly in any easy, quick, and secure way, as if transferring from hand to hand. Speed. It takes 59 seconds for blockchain block to generate, and it does not depend on the number of transactions. Paramining. Unique technology, a 3-factor source of increasing the number of coins in your wallet. I don't understand that. Proof of stake. These modern ecosystems. Paramining. How does it work? The system used by Prism considers each coin on the wallet balance to be a diminutive mine farm. Since the mining of new monetary units is based on the paramining principle, at least one purchased Prism coin in your wallet leads to the beginning of new coins generated. The paramining principle. Paramining. What is paramining? Is a Prism key advantage over other cryptocurrencies. Prism developers add a unique linear retrograde mechanism for determining the reward for fund storage aimed at economic attractiveness and gradual replacement of all existing financial instruments of the world by the mass of PZM to the basic mechanism of forging. Paramining. Paramining system is the most advanced tool for promotion and popularization, as it has no analogs in any modern cryptocurrency. The main advantage of paramining is no network. Users can interfere with this mechanism and falsify new coins. All users can monitor the number of coins issued by the system in real time. Paramining works on any wallet with a balance of 1 PZM and automatically stops when a balance of 1 million PZM is reached. The speed of mining new coins depends on total coin emissions, factors influencing the rate of new coin emissions. The speed of mining new coins depend on the number of coins in the wallet. The more coins you have, the higher rate of paramining, the higher your profitability. There's the 33 daily. Look at that. Monthly 99. If you have the most. So you barely, second coin speed factor and so on and so forth. Paratax, the number of coins mined at the moment. Blockchain, wallet activation, Prism. Quite an interesting coin, to say the least. Let's see if we can get it on a chart and see what's going on. Where do they say you can buy Prism at? Let's take a look. We had it on... Bam, where are the markets? What market can you get it in? I got Save Planet Earth. I got Safe Moon, Risk Moon, Moonstorm, Risk, all this other stuff, man. Ever heard of Tower? It's an NFT on KuCoin. Yeah, I was looking at it recently, actually, and I think we really want to play that one as well. Probit, Hotbit, Prism. Okay. Hard to find. I don't know if I'm going to go run and find this thing. I don't know if I'm going to buy Probit on Prism, honestly, but it looks pretty hot. Up 38%, and it's the 33, my special 33. I'll definitely write it down. What I'm going to start doing is, look, I log in here. So Bonfire took a little hit there. Ooh, back up 41, though. Let's take a look at Prism here, if they have it. They don't always have everything that we find, but if they do, we add it to the watch list now. Excellent. NFT Spotlight. I like that. Sven, it's been the same recently. Nothing new. I sell JPEGs for 100K. NFT of the day. It's funny. Theta Network. Chiliz, Dogecoin. Decentraland Flow. Bakery Swap. 6th biggest NFT network in the world, guys. Remember that. $1 billion in volume there. Above Ecomi. Alien Worlds, guys, is really moving a lot lately. People seem to like this Alien Worlds, man. It's picking up a lot of steam, TLM. Just want to put that on your radar, guys. TLM's picking up a lot of steam. I tried to play this live on the stream. I was playing it the other day. $639 million market cap and growing. Say it's one of the most used DApp in the world. People don't realize that though. It's on Binance. TLM, man. Not even at $1 billion market cap yet. Alien worlds, bro. I thought you were something on my screen, but it's on crypto's screen. Aeon, eGod. Just join your Patreon. Looking forward to learning more and setting up that crypto life. Keep it up. Thank you so much, Kronos Balthazar, for joining the Patreon. Much respect. If anyone wants to help me out, you can join my Patreon right here. Link in the description below. You can also book an appointment right there. Get on in. Let me know what's going on, man. We're going to go over the Bitcoin price today. We're going to go show you what's going down every single time. 100 likes on the show. Thank you so much on the Saturday night. Much respect to everybody here. Super chatted. I'm still going to go through all your super chats. I have not given up. Don't worry. We're going to look at Matic for Crypto Greg, my dude. We'll never forget you. So we got through Prism. Now we're going to get into Matic. Matic pump, then a dump. Now we're going to look for the beautiful price to get into. Watch Dogecoin. If it doesn't hold this area, it's going to dump, in my opinion. So all you have to do is put a stop loss at like 58. If it doesn't hold 58, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. If it does hold this position, so we're going to find out soon whether it wants to go up or down. The Doge. It is oversold on the 1 hour. That's a good sign that it's going to hold this top level and break out. These catalysts with bullish, a little bullish divergence established as well. I like what we're seeing here for Doge. I'm telling you, if I had to make 100%, if I had to make a call, if they had a GUN to my HEAD and I had to make a call, I think I would say that it was going to go to the upside tonight. I think I would. Even though my heart and gut says they're going to dump on everybody and they never let an actual story go, the people might just be that powerful this time. And if that many people buy it when they find out about it, whatever he says, he's going to be funny. He's going to be great. He's going to do amazing. He's probably super nervous, man. The whole world's going to be watching him tonight. He is kind of moving our entire human race. He's the richest man in the world. Pretty interesting. He's going to be on Saturday Night Live. Now, Matic is breaking on out. It came down and retraced and did what? Shoulder, head, and shoulder. Inverted head and shoulder. That's where you want to buy, is the right shoulder or the head, if you're lucky enough to even see it happen. Unless you're on Hermosa Beach sipping an IPA and you just don't notice it. But if you do notice it, I suggest you get on in there and get going. So look at this falling wedge. Look at this beautiful bull pennant. Breaking on out. Matic looking, that's a full plumb breakout right there from Matic. So Matic's going to continue to the upside. Matic and hanging out with Matic, staking Matic, doing things with Matic is fun. I suggest you get up with Matic. It's going to be $1.31 from the 80. Looking for 100% gains or more. Matic, baby, Matic. It scales Ethereum. It's a beautiful coin. People are just starting to get into their coin and start doing staking and all sorts of fun stuff on Matic. I'm going to have to do a deep dive on Matic as well. Can't wait for that. So stay tuned for more. We're going to talk about Matic and we're going to get in to why I like Matic and what's going on Matic. Burger, one of my favorite coins, doing really good things. Look, shoulder, head, shoulder, rising wedge, starting to break out a little bit. Watch this rising wedge. May form a bull and come back to the downside. But either way, it's your consolidation point. Consolidation point. It's a BNB pair. It also has a USDT pair. Burger. Shout out to Crypto Greg for the $5 super chat for Matic. Thank you so much, Crypto Greg. Love you, man. Love you out there. I can't wait to go around the world on the Safe Moon Yacht, sip margaritas and laugh into the sunset, because it's going to happen and I can't wait. Burger doing its thing right now at 17. You saw me sell it live on camera at 34. Coming back in at 17 would probably be a pretty nice grab. I could get double the burger for my monkeys. Sold 80 burgers, get 160 back for my money. That's what we do at this channel. We sold the top live on camera at 34.88, and look, burger would retrace. How did we sell the top? What did we know? Well, it was pumping really hard and we saw bearish divergence. Swing up to swing up, swing down to swing down. What is bearish divergence? It's when the price has a swing to the upside like this, but the RSI swings to the downside, and I had to confirm it pretty much on the 30-minute. So swing up to swing up there, swing down to swing down there, tells me the price will drop to the downside. Okay, then you have swing down to swing down, swing up to swing up. When we break it down on the smaller time frame, I tutor this every day and I show people every day. They look at me kind of funny, like they try to get it, but some people really do get it, and it makes them masters of the trade. And that's where you enter the trade. That's where you could really sell the tops and buy the bottoms. You may not get point, but you'll be pretty damn zone. I mean, you'll call it the top and the bottom. I mean, you'll be a master of your trade. A master of your trade. Imagine selling at 34, buying back in 12, doing exactly textbook. Imagine just doing textbook buying and selling just like you're supposed to. It feels great when you do it. I haven't done it perfectly many times. You know, it's not always that easy. But now do we see? Look, we're going to look at the 30-minute because the 30-minute has a lot of good information here because it hasn't been around that long on the USDT pair. When I take a look at this, look, it looks like we're kind of starting a bit of a cup and handle. Just saying. Could go a little lower. I say we test the 200-day moving average. Might even get a little bit lower, but that would be probably look, higher, higher, high. Now breaking above the 200-day. That's an established trend now. Now you can have more confidence in the trend and ride this trend to the upside, right? That's what trend trading. You got to learn how to trade the trend to your advantage. And then we get back to the all-time high, and you'll see this thing rip to some all-time highs. But it woke up enough for people to know what it is. Much respect to the burger crew. Much respect to it's basically the baked burger cake crew. We're all in it together. We're all kicking it. We're all doing our thing. Shout out to everybody in these crews, man, doing our thing. Shiba just probably continues to rip. Let's take a look at where Shiba Inu is now. Wow, that candle just got bigger and bigger. Got rejected. Wow, they're about to break out. Look, just like I said, look, it looks like it's going to break out for another 100% gain. That's what it looks like to me. You know? Someone said at Bog Finance I could put limit orders in. Is that true for Shiba? Wow, and that all these coins are pumping on the weekends, man. 4,100 right here for Bonfire. Doing its thing. I got the $3,000 from Shiba, but you know what? I want to get it off the Ethereum network. I really do. I make enough on Binance Smart Chain. I see no reason to use the Ethereum mainnet. I really do. No reason at all. At all. So, yeah. Look, oversold on the 1 hour. So you just play the 1 hour and wait for it to go up here and get to the top and then get out. This thing is going to... It looks pretty sinister right now. Inverted head and shoulder, broke to the upside, right shoulder breaking out. Whole market looks like it wants to rip. It's going to take everything up with it. If Bitcoin rips, this will rip. The whole market will rip, man. I'm telling you. It'll have a profound effect on everything. It has a little bit of, from here to here is a swing up. That is bearish divergence, but it kind of played out already, and then it recovered. You know, now you're like, well, is there any bearish? Is there any hidden bullish? Yeah, that you can almost say this is hidden bullish divergence. Because this is going to be your swing low there, and that's going to be your next swing low. And if I take that same swing low and like it's so up and down, tells me that the trend will continue. I think this is going to break to the upside, guys. I'm really like, I don't want to push anyone into a trade. I don't like doing that. None of this is financial advice. Don't do anything I do on this channel. But honestly, like, I'm deadly accurate when I do this stuff, and it's highly likely that this is going to go where I think it's going to go, you know? Highly likely. This is all I do all day long. I mean, what do you think? What, me worry? 3888. Where's, look, I told you this was going to 4K before it did. Aggressive buy right there, and I pointed down. I circled it. It entered my circle right there. I gave this trade to everybody in the stream. Shout out to anyone that took the stream. I gave you this trade. And I didn't go, exactly, exactly, exactly. Wait. Guys, I gave you this trade. Check it out. You guys want to laugh so hard? I got this. I'm going to actually make this a fun button. And roll the clip. Right? Roll that clip. I'm going to make it something interesting. This is funny. It's so funny though. But it's so funny though.
He's doing it.
So look, I'm stealing this from Crypto Banter, but I love what they did. So, hey, can't I love what they do? I'm a fan of them, right? thing won't let me like. Oh, I guess playing video is tough. So look, so far I think it's gonna go right there to my target. It hasn't hit it yet, but the buy zone went exactly into where my zone was. Guy's the worst, man. All right. I don't mean to hate. I actually like him. He's a nice dude. I just don't agree with some of the things he's doing. Anyway, so this is another trade we gave you here. If you were a Patreon, you were able to make 18% off your ETH, make a good trade, aggressive buy. You bought in at the bottom of the triangle, which would have given you the support that you needed to ride the trade up to the highest place you could have. Really the best positional strength you could have ridden out. We also gave you the trade down here when it double bottomed and it was in this rising wedge. Let's zoom on out and show you the bigger trade. This is how I was able to tell you how to get into 4K. We gave this trade as it broke out. Been tracking ETH for you guys almost like for the last few days, like consistently, and have my hand on the pulse with ETH as well. We drew this line a long time ago and said it was going to break to the upside. We even have a bigger target for this position, which is all the way up here at about $4,687 for ETH if you can hang out and wait for it to get to the measured move, which is the breakout of this rising wedge for ETH. Pretty crazy. And what I like to do is I like to put myself on, on fire right here and take a look like, did he make this call or is he full of garbage? Well, let's take a look. ETH. Right? What I do is we'll hit this and we'll type in ETH. Hopefully I wrote ETH next to the call. Right? So, Phantom. There's Electronium Classic, which we gave to everybody. Right? Buy zone, BQX for ETH. Okay, these are ETH pairs. Don't fail me now. Oh no, it's getting close. Prediction for ETH is right here too. USDT. We gave you this at 11. Let's see when. XTZ. I gave an ETH trade. There it was back there anyway, but I know I personally also gave an ETH trade as well as my team members. Reef about to do damage too. Sometimes I put it out and I forget to put the ticker name, and that's what's like, so then you can't search it. I gotta always do that. Doge down here, buy zone given to you at 7 cents. Yeah, telling you to get into Doge at 7 cents back then. Just crazy, man. February 10th. Just the trades we were making. V-Chain. Telling you to get into V-Chain at 3 cents. CRV. Like, all these trades, man, played out so well. AGI. Go in the past and see this stuff. MTV bouncing up from this bull. Oh, my God. It did that. It did just that. All these things occurred. Matic breaking out from 12 cents. We're giving you Matic at 12 cents. Come on, man. Giving you XRP here at 50 cents. 53 cents. And you could have been in these trades, not even sold, and just kept running them. Bake, we're giving you Bake at when it only had a BNB pair when it first came out. I'm telling you, man. Giving you Doge again. We gave you Cake back here at $6, telling you to watch Cake, get into the buy zone, hidden bullish divergence. Like, the fundamentals got us through all this stuff. Cake, BUSD, another trade, getting you all the way to $11. Man, it's all there, man. It's crazy. The history is insane, how much we've done. BTG, $10 now. Yep. Okay. Would you mind checking out AGI? Let's take a look at AGI. Just join your Patreon. Thank you so much for joining the Patreon. Much respect to you. Hokkaido never sell. I got HOOK. I got Hokkaido. I got Hokkaido Ino. So we'll see what happens, man. ICX about to blow. Is it though? Let's take a look here. I feel like I'm not getting the super chats there. If you had a couple grand to invest in a new crypto, what would be your strategy to earn as much as possible? No financial advice, of course. I would join my Patreon and be like really active in it, honestly. I know it sounds crazy, right? Thanks for giving out the call on Hoke. 300 now, worth 208. How high do you think it can go? It did. Let me see, man. I didn't check my Hoke. It went up a lot. Wow, we're making serious dough here every day, man. Like, we're talking $3 grand a day sometimes, like easy. Like, not on top of the accumulation of your also like your larger portfolio is making like 5 to 6, 7, 8,000 a day. But then these just little throw-ins are just caking off left and right. It's just insane. I'm amazed by this stuff, man. Shout out to Rocket Dog. Thanks for giving out the call on HOKK. 300 now, worth 2,800. How do you think? Let's see. Maybe you bought better than me. Let's take a look. Now, say you have a pending transaction, guys. I can show you how to beat these and how you get rid of them. Honestly, they're annoying, right? They'll sit there all day. I don't even remember doing this pending transaction. Let's see if I can cancel it. It might be something I just left. It's the thing, man. If you don't have enough money, look, I got 3,200 bucks. But I got no ETH, and they're going to eat through my ETH trying to get the... Oh, my God. Trying to get this USDT tether back over to ETH. I'll sell it for ETH. Then I'll need ETH. They'll send me more fees. By the time I'm done, they will eat through so much money. It'll be absolutely disgusting. There's my Essentia. And I said coins revealed. Look, I got VRA, Chain Guardians, Essentia, VAI, which is like a AI thing, right? Deeper Network. Shiba, sold all my Shiba earlier today. Soj Finance, got some pussy last night. Excuse all the women watching. I'm not trying to offend you, and I feel really like I don't want to make this channel a boys club. I really don't. I don't. And I love you all of you women, man, everybody here. Much respect to all you guys. That was just a funny moment for me, honestly, right? So I got 1,000. I put 300 bucks in. You must have got earlier than me, but I told you about it. Or maybe the liquidity's not there. Let's do like USDC maybe. Oh, quick. Okay, 924. Allow the Uniswap protocol to use your HOKK. I guess so. If you had a couple grand to invest, honestly, I would join my Patreon, get close to me, take one tutoring session or two. So you spend 300 bucks of your couple grand, and then you're like, oh, all right, this guy's already trying to get my money. But, and honestly, the people around us, like, you'll become someone who's, like, disciplined, well-regulated, and wants to make money. Like, it's not only about just, you can ape into all the coins you want, but can you handle that money? Oh, my God, my pussy turned into 200. Dude, I have $2 million in pussy? Are you kidding me? Yo. Crypto rich. Yo. Thoughts on Trias. That was good. Safe Moon Cash, bro. Thoughts on Pube Finance. Are you kidding me? Probably Unwashed Balls Empire. Hit the max again. Nah, no, I'm just playing with you. I just wanted to play with Timmy. I gotta play with Timmy. $2.99. We haven't made a dime yet. No. Has experience big time. I'll be investing in more. Can you take a look at D-Hive Finance? Got in at $4. Ha, reload your buying. I know. I'm messing with you guys. I love it. I love it. Yeah. How's 100X doing? Nothing. It seemed to pump well, and then I kind of like just want to get rid of these coins until they give us a better way to find them all. Is that really true? Unwashed Balls Empire? Once ETH hits the target of yours, approximately 4.6K, would you rotate half into stable coins to buy lower? It's possible. Yeah. Can you take a look at D-Hive Finance? I got in at $4. Is it going to be a scam, though? I don't want to go over scams. I'm scared. My mommy told me to be careful, man. I don't want to do something I shouldn't be doing, you know? Let's go. 7 figures. Bring it. Let's take a look at WEX. Remember we talked about WEX on the scene? DEX, Pancake Swap, TVL. Pancake Swap, Bakery Swap, Vault Swap, 823 million. Market cap only 182. So you can see how investing in Vault Swap might be a good idea, even if it can get in half of the market share that Pancake Swap can get to and begin to grow some volume. It's pretty interesting. Okay. It's on Medium, mobile, Twitter, Vault, Finance. VSwap, bro. WEX, which the Vault tool, which you saw me buy the other day, but I decided to sell. I didn't want it. I don't know why. Look at this guy. You think WEX will just start killing all these dexes? I don't think so, man. How can a token with this chart still be so undervalued? It's still so early to get on board. The WEX train. He did tell me to get into WEX. Remember, we put WEX on the radar. I bought this coin, remember? Like the other day, I bought it. Let's see what happened. Shout out to Hugo. He told us to get in. I was stubborn and said no. But it is what it is. I can't buy everything. I'm a human being. I hope every once in a while I say no to something. Just be like, wow. Like, where does this guy... How come I always say yes? Like, do I have an unlimited wallet? Like, geez Louise. It would seem as such. But it's not the case. You guys are watching these things unfold, like, in real time. I was poor, like, just like 6 months ago. I was broke. No, I'm just... Shout out to the super chat. Thank you so much. Can you look at Saturna? Oh, yeah, you've been asking me about that a few times now. We'll take a look at Saturna. Does my ADHD sometimes bring in more super chats because I don't look at anything? Shout out to $100. Shout out to $25 super chat. Hold up. Who sent me the $25? Let's go back. Oh, that was Crypto Cam. Yeah, I photographed Crypto Rich. And he didn't even say nothing, man. Shout out to Crypto Rich for the $25 super chat, man. Much respect to you, my brother. Proud DGen here. Shout out to Tenacious Tim. I gotta have positive vibes, bro. Check out liquidity. Got it at 19 USD and now 25 USD. Solid project. LQTY. Where to get tutored? If you want to get tutored, hit the link. It's so simple. It's so simple. Right here, hit the link. Book an appointment with the Crypto Lifer. Shows you my schedule. It's Eastern Time, United States. Click one of these and jump on in. I will see you face to face and I'll give you everything I can for 1 hour. We'll go over your entire portfolio, give you proper risk management, and I'll give you the tools that I used to get where I am today. Which is nowhere. No, I'm just... Wow, that candle still continues to rumble on Shiba Inu. Wow. Tonight would have been crazy. Selling Shiba Inu for $30,000. These coins are doing unbelievable things. One big thing you don't want to do, don't private message me during the live stream. Because number one, then I know you're not watching me. Right? So it's kind of like, are you doing that to mess with me? Which I know you're probably not. And my wife also said the notifications didn't go out perfectly today. So I'll give everybody a break. I'm such a... Pretty loud. Crypto Space Apes, guys. Crypto Space Apes starting to make a bit of a move. Very small coin. It'll be our community coin. If you guys get into Crypto Space Apes, we'll be the first community to get in. Like, my friend made it. So I know the person who made the coin, right? It'll be the first coin where I know the exact person. I've looked him in the face. We've talked. He's a legit person. He is not a scammer. He would never, you know, you don't want to say never, but he's a legit person. Unbelievable. Surprise, we're revealing our first IDO project tonight at 11:30 on MemePad. So MemePad's going to have its first IDO, guys. It's a big deal. Watch out for MemePad. People are going to buy MemePad to get into these IDOs if the MemePads are hot. So, just want to put this on your radar, guys. MemePad. First IDO is coming. MemePad, get ready. Ace. Ascent is on KuCoin. Ace is Ascent. Yes, Lifer had it on the screen. Ace USD. I bought what he said. Ace. Yep, Ace. I found it on KuCoin. The Polygon Network is the Polygon set working. I gotta keep it kicking with must be in it. Holy crap, $95 for gas fees on these right now. Ugly. Isn't anything else to sell your ESG20 tokens for less than a Benjamin? Jeez. Yeah, never use ETH on a Friday or a Saturday night. Worst thing you can do. You know, the worst thing you can do, guys. Polygon Network, go, go, go. 001 fees for all transactions. Yeah, like, why can't everyone else have it like that? Why can't everyone have it like that? Right? Guys, have you looked at Alice recently? Quick, man. We talked about getting into Quick. We talked about Quick in the very at the beginning. Quick, man. You guys like Quick Swap? Chain Swap. That's my next thing. That was my find. Like, no one really said it to me. No one told me a word. Chain Swap. I also like Alice. My neighbor Alice. I believe it's going to be a play like Sand. It's going to do very well. 246. This grew fast. This market cap grew very fast. Didn't even get us a chance to really get in. Starting to make a move though. Cummies, man. You know, 17%, $252 million market cap, $17. Cummies. Let's see what's trending down here. Pancake swap is trending on CoinGecko. So people want to buy the dip is what it's telling you. $586 million in 24-hour volume. That's $500 million in volume when it's a $600 billion market cap. Up 75% in 30 days. Still holding it down from its dump, you know. Very, very strong. Let's take a look at Pancake swap. Isn't a day I won't go over my cake, baby. My cake bags. Shout out to Cake. Now, you see it's doing a beautiful flag here. And now on the daily, it's touching the what? The 21-day moving average. That's what we want to see. That's all that needs to happen for a nice bull run. It's got to come and touch the 21. So whenever you're having a big pump and you steer yourself way away from the 21, sell. Then patiently wait for it to get back to the 21. Get back in. These things are simple moves. Now we're oversold in the daily. We're ready to reset. Cake is ready for its next big move to the upside. Another thing we're going to see for Cake is a swing up here. Even if it pulls down, we're not sure exactly where the level will be. We'll look at some support and resistance on smaller time frames. That will give us our exchange points there. Bam, bam, bam. But right now, that is hidden bullish divergence established. Take a look at the 4-hour to kind of zoom on in and see what's going on. And it's the same idea here. Hidden bullish, same idea here. It's the same idea here, dear. I could say it's the same idea here, dear. Can you say that? It's the same idea here, dear. But you say it with the Boston accent. It's the same idea here, here. It's the same idea here, here, dear. It's the same idea here, dear. It's the same idea here, dear. So, swing up to swing up, swing down to swing down. That is bullish divergence. Hidden bullish. But we are high up here. It tells us we might have to come back down and retrace. Where is these previous highs? Well, 28 is a very strong level of support. Will we go that low? I hope not. I really want to think it's this previous high that we're holding here, which we came up and wicked to, bounced off of. We wicked off of this already. Telling me we held that support. We might come back down and hit that support one more time and then retrace and then make our move. So if you want to get into Cake, if you're looking into Cake, look, 4 hours pointing to the downside. And I'm not always right, but I try to be prepared. That's all that we can do, right? So take a look here. That would be my buy zone for Cake. I would wait for it here. See if you can even get them to wick you. Make a nasty wick down. So there's your buy zone. I'll even put a little there. Call out there for Cake. And the calls just keep coming. They never stop here on the Crypto Lifer channel. Because you know what? You're only as powerful as what you give away. And I can keep doing this all night long. There's thousands of coins and the calls will never stop while we're rolling through this bull run. So, aggressive buy zone right there for Cake, man. And I can see some beautiful things happening right there for Cake. So, thank you guys for sharing. the night with me, Saturday night. It's 10 o'clock. We started the stream at 8:15. We're going to run out of here in about 15 minutes. I know you don't want to hear that, but it's what it's going to be. Thank you guys for being here, and I love you all. Much respect to every single person here. I appreciate it. I see this getting all the way back up to $53 for Cake, man. It's not going to be that hard once it starts to break on out of here. It's going to make a new... We'll watch this trend line change and form a new trend. That's just what Cake does every single time. A little bit of bullish divergence forming there. Swing, swing, but it's not as hard as that swing. A little bit of bullish divergence starting to form for Cake. If we go to the 1 hour, do we see a strong sense of bullish divergence? Not perfect there. No, not yet. Let's go to the 15 minute. Sometimes I just go smaller time frames to get a... There's a little bit of divergence there. Not perfect, though. It's establishing the trend, but it's not showing exactly, you know. Cake, man. Cake. It's the biggest gainer of the day today. Let's take a look here. RLC still holding it down against ETH, man. Ooh, flew. Look at that. The 15-minute candles, this thing just exploded. Just like KuCoin said it would. Look at that. Guys, this just happened during the show. 1 hour. Yeah. Wow. Look at that. A call that went out. My team gave this call. Remember? We looked at it earlier. I said it's in a bit of a cup and handle about to break out. RLC ETH. Damn, up 18%. Flirting with this previous local high. Once it breaks that, there's a chance it goes really high. So here's the retest. Like, boom, retest, buy the retest. That's kind of like buying the, you know, when it comes up in a retest? Came up. Dang. Retest the second area. Boom, it's going to bounce back there. Holding that support region. Kind of like this trade. Let's see the 4 hour if it's got room to move. 4 hours ready to rock. Daily is a little oversold. That's what worries me on this trade right now. It's starting to make a move, though. Nice call. Nice call. Cute 'em. We're seeing some action right now, guys, in a lot of altcoins. Seems like they're starting to make a move. Telcoin just never stopping. How to get into Telcoin? Look at the 15-minute and try to get a view of what's happening here. Looks like Telcoin's flagging out for some more. This is hypercycling. Telcoin's breaking out. I'm gonna have to give a call right now for Telcoin. Please, this thing is starting to make a move. Okay. Definitely starting to make a move right now for Telcoin. So I'm putting it out there right now. If you're on the live, if you're lucky enough to hang out with us this far, stop loss right there below that. Entry right there. Do your thing, man. Let it rip. Don't second guess the pennant. Cake hitting the parabola and continuing to the upside. 44% gains to 54. I like what I see. Same thing I'm seeing, man. Much respect to you, my friend. Thank you, KuCoin, for phoning that one in, my friend. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. What a beautiful day to be alive, day to be here. Doge ain't doing nothing, silly little baby bear. One coin, oh, you could do so much better for me, yeah. Aave up 454%, XRP up 500%, Reef up 16, 23% for Atom. Let's take a look at Atom BTC. Didn't hold that high level. I thought it would hold 5,000. We're back at 4.4. Took a bit of a hit after the big pump we had. So Atom BTC. It offset the levels pretty well. Atom had that nice pump. So look, I was in this giant play, this cup and handle. Skyrocketed out of it. It's good though. All we need is that push up. Then we got to break that all-time high. So now we're going to look at some smaller time frames to see what's going on. See what I'm doing? I'm trying to find a shape, a plan, something. And I'm not saying you trade smaller time frames. You got to make sure the daily and the 4 hour are in your favor before you do this. But that's a bit of a double bottom there. And I like we're seeing a bit of a flag as well. So, still looks very bullish to me. I'm going to continue to hold the trade. Veracity. What have you been doing, Veracity? So I still got a trade right here on Veracity. Right there, buy the bottom trend line, aggressive buy, bullish divergence. So this will be your established position. This will be a really nice place to get into Veracity. This is where you buy into the fear at 33 cents, at 3 3/10 of a cent, ready to rock. And it's going to get all the way here to about 7/8 of a cent. So watch Veracity continue to rip. Continue to rip. XYO, let's take a look. Textbook breakout for XYO. We might want to snatch up this breakout as it starts to make a move. Where's XYO? Let's talk about it. Shout out to Tenacious Tim for phoning that one in there. Thank you so much, Tenacious Tim. That's why my team rocks, man. When you join my Telegram and you pay for the Patreon, you pay for like my calls, you pay for my team calls, and you just pay for the entire experience, man. You pay for the experience. I could make it free. If I made it free, you know how many people will come in there and say ridiculous things and ruin our entire time? I'm being honest. I'm being honest. And I could make it cheap too, like 30, 40 bucks. And then we have a lot of people that don't take it seriously. You make something $100, you end up with a serious group of people that don't play games, bro. I'm serious. Like a man's club. Like there's a lot of clubs out here. Like you join the Freemasons or you join the Lions Club. You join the Elks Club in my neighborhood. You know, you pay a little monthly fee, 50, 100 bucks, but you're in a club, right? You do your thing. Like, it's interesting, right? So that's what I provide. I provide a space for you to be free in crypto, man. Talk about anything you want, meet whoever you want. You could even start, a lot of people in my group, they're forming a group to make a development. They want to make a coin. Like, they want to make moves in the game, right? From Crypto Rich. Budworth. I just saw someone say Budworth. Kyle Budworth. What is the trade name for Copiosa? Copiosa. He's talking about some Copiosa, huh? Just sounds like you should buy it. Like, hey, you don't own Copiosa, you probably don't know what's going on over there. Like, oh, you don't own Copiosa? Oh, man. Cartesi continued to rip. Cartesi did something unbelievable. Unbelievable, right? You guys see Cartesi? Is it just me? Went to like $1.67. My call was at 27 cents. That's an 8x had you held it in 2 months. What is the best way possible to learn everything about crypto? Also love your videos. Take a tutoring session with me. I know it's crazy, but like, take a tutoring session with me. I think it's the fastest way you'll learn. I really believe that. I'm super crazy with it. What do you see cake at the end of the month, boss? 50 bucks, easy. Crypto Lifer from Crypto Rich. Hey Lifer, thoughts on Shiba Inu? Thanks. Hey Sam, so if we buy more cake, do you think we are best to put it right away into Bunny Swap? Thanks. Or just, yeah, put it right into Bunny Swap. Yeah, there's some other more cake pools though. Cake's getting some more pools that are somewhat lucrative. I'm seeing Pancake coming back. I traded Alice recently, yes. Copiosa is not on TradingView. Wow. Just an earthquake here. You alright, Crypto Greg? Earthquake in Hermosa Beach. Let's take a look at that news. Earthquake in Hermosa Beach. Magnitude 3.7 affected countries, United States, 4 miles from Redondo Beach, California. 3.7 earthquakes in Hermosa Beach. 3.7 earthquake registered 8 minutes ago near Redondo Beach. A magnitude 3.7 earthquake was reported Saturday evening at 6:55 p.m. Pacific time, 2 miles from Redondo Beach. The earthquake occurred 2 miles from Hermosa Beach, 3 miles from Manhattan Beach, and 3 miles from El Segundo, and 4 miles from Torrance. In the last 10 days, there have been no earthquakes of magnitude 3.0 or higher. Stay safe, Crypto Greg, man. Stay safe out there, man. I've only been in one earthquake. The East Coast had one randomly. 3.7. Early evening, Saturday, May. The second report was later issued European Seismo, which listed its magnitude 3.7 earthquake as well. Okay. We'll keep tracking that data for you guys. No, we won't. That's not what we do, but it sounds like we will, right? He's the one that did the $25 super chat. He does big super chats. During the stream. Earthquake during the stream. I like the ultimate group. The way it is. The best way possible to learn about everything crypto. Also love your videos. How long does it take to add it to the group after purchase? It depends, because we, like, you know, usually if you do it our time, like about like 20 minutes. I mean, 10 minutes. My wife's pretty good about it. And I also have another team that I hired to take care of it. So people get you going. It's not 24/7 though. So if you do it like at like 2 in the morning Eastern time, you know, wait for us to wake up. You know, do you think Bitcoin is coming back to 55K area? I do believe it will. Yes, I do believe it will. So it's the peak time to invest in Cake. Yes, right now. How long does it take to get added to the groups? Very fast. You'll be added immediately. I had a tutoring meeting yesterday with a schedule conflict on your staffer's end. The email said to check the availability for rescheduling. And there's no sooner dates than posted. Zentience. Just DM me, Zentience. DM me right now. And at the end of the stream, we'll take care of it. If you DM me, CryptoLifer underscore, at CryptoLifer at CryptoLifer underscore. At crypto underscore lifer. I'm getting tired, as you can see. If you look at my thing here, we're fully booked. Crazy bookings, insane bookings. Let's take what's going on here. So I can see what goes down here. I really try to take Sunday off, and I still have 2 sessions tomorrow, which is crazy. But I try to take Sunday off, but it's almost impossible. Tuesday. Oh, wow. Mike Jolly. I got you a Tuesday at 5 o'clock. Tuesday at 5 o'clock. How does that work for you, bro? Tuesday at 5 o'clock, Zentians? What's a stop loss on Shiba? I don't put a stop loss because I can't. Can you talk about how big the Asian market is with crypto? They start the second trading day with crypto at 1 a.m. Central Time. They're huge, man. They love it, bro. They go in hard, especially 8 p.m. Saturday night. That's why tomorrow night, when we get in here at 8 p.m. for the Bitcoin weekly candle close, it's going to be a really exciting time. I can't wait. Hey, Life, what do you think about Chia? XCH. I don't know. Kevin Tam, I had a tutoring meeting yesterday with a scheduling conflict on your staffer's end. The email said to check the availability for rescheduling, but there are no sooner dates than posted. Are you still waiting to get into Ace? Why? What is your thoughts? What are your thoughts? I don't think I should wait much longer. I got to transfer funds. That's the only reason. It's going to take me a second. We went over like 100 coins tonight. I don't even know, man. If you didn't have a notebook and wrote it down, I don't know what to tell you. You could rewatch the stream, though, and write it all down again and kind of fly through it. Oh, wow. This thing is flying now. Like, I have I pick coins, like, right before they're about to fly, and then they fly. It's about to break the all-time high and go. Like, I got to get off the stream and buy this, guys. I'm going to go buy this coin right now. Ace. I got stuff to do. I got to transfer some funds. Got to get my stuff going. So, guys, stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in the next live stream. It's been an awesome time. We went all the way to 10, 15, 2-hour live stream. Thank you guys so much for being here. Much respect to every single person. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the super chat. But most importantly, thank you for the love. That's what it's all about. You can't do anything without the love, man. You can't do anything without the love. Dang, I should have bought into this way earlier. This thing is starting to rip. Doing really, really well. Watch your green screen. White mark. This guy, watch your green screen. It's funny, man. Oh, I know why. You know why? Because earlier I was doing something. There you go. You know why? I can't see my screen. It's so bright. Crypto is life. There you go. All set, bro. Thanks, man. I got into Ace and Matic. Crypto is life, man. You can thank me later. And when you make money on that, tell someone to join that Patreon. Let them know, man. Thank you for telling me. Crypto is life. My dude, Mike Jordan. Shout out to everyone here, man. Thank you guys for coming on in. Thank you. Oh, my F and G. Ha, ha, ha. Thanks, man, for your time. Now, you guys are awesome, man. Much respect. Much respect. Shout out to everyone here on the live, man. Thank you guys for coming on in. Oh, yeah, there was a little white thing the whole time there. Just a tiny little piece. Funny. Smash the likes for your boy. Much respect. Much respect for your boy. 100 people watching, 128 likes, man. You guys are awesome, man. On like an unscheduled kind of like we're just starting to get into this late night stream. So I'm much appreciated, guys. Much appreciated. More content. I'm going to be editing now until about 12 tonight. I'm going to be buying some coins and editing and going through some charts for you guys like I do every day. And then tomorrow I'll try to spend some time with the family, cook blueberry pancakes every single Sunday. Have fun. You know, you got to live your life and enjoy your life, man. Shout out to Paul Berry. Thank you for the calls, Lifer. $25 at the end, man. Dude, I love when you just throw... Paul, you've done this a few times, man. You throw the $25 at the end, and much respect to you, bro. Much respect to you. Everyone that throws down a big super chat, much respect to you, man. It's the coolest thing you could ever do for a live streamer, man. It's like... It makes it all worthwhile. And I know money isn't everything, but it's like that appreciation that you're sending us, sending me specifically right now. Much respect to everyone here that showed me some love. Paul Berry, thank you for donating. Bam, bam, bam. Much respect to you, man. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'm gonna take a chill. You guys lit it up tonight. Really, really appreciate it. We went over a bunch of different coins. Talked about Bitcoin. Talked about Ethereum. We didn't go over Litecoin Cash. Some things were missed, but we did good, man. Stack them blueberry pancakes, baby. Stack them pancakes. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3. We're gonna say crypto is life. Wow, I just saw Live is live and clicked. 2 hours already. What is the best cake pool to stake cakes? At the Bunny Cake. Pancake Bunny, baby. Get over to Pancake Bunny and see it. Do the right thing for yourself, man. Do the right thing. All right, we're going to say 1, 2, 3, crypto is life, like we say at the end of every stream. And then I'm going to hit that red button and we're going to be on out of here. So, guys, thank you so much for the love. Thank you for it all. I'll be back tomorrow with another live stream because you know what? A true worker never misses a day. A true grinder grinds every single day of the week. There's no such thing as a day off in crypto, especially in a bull run. So guys, with that being said, thank you so much for being here. A 1, a 2, and a 3. Crypto is life. There's nothing else. I'll see you on the next live stream. I love you all. Crypto is life. Look at the intensity in these eyes, guys. Crypto is life.